Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C63 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System. Then let's scroll down again and find Reset Phone at the very bottom of the list, and as you can see here we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset App Preferences. Let's simply tap on it and now your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.